Hello.
Hello. Good
Yeah,
morning.
good morning.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Any doubt last session? It is order, I think. Any doubt last session? Purchase order I created. Now today class, one second. In last class, ME21N, we worked how to create purchase order or explain, how to copy each other. First, if I execute this concept by using my purchase orders, it will show our purchase orders names it will show. Otherwise, I don't know which plan name. Okay, let me execute. Okay, MM60 something GMRP ಇದೆ LGBA ಇದೆ ME21N GMRB execute. Something LGNBA. Okay, these are all the documents which we create. Okay, let me check here. Item overview. Okay, this is the old one. Okay. Our company code name. Our plant name. Any idea? Hmm. So let me take LG only now, right now. Let me recreate once again with the standard purchase order. Okay, by using this data, I'll create new one. Just I'll change the existing data. LGNB. Even MRF also, it MRF LNB, LNB. I think these are all the yes, 11. The delivery date. The delivery date created. Okay, these are all the our data is 05. Okay. Is 05 use the this data is my data. Is 05 is a company code. Okay, LG05. LGSP is a company code. Okay. This no, if I Click yes save button, then purchase order will be even printed. Okay, last time I have shown you how to print the why it is not printing because it is not maintained with the change button messages. It is not maintained properly with the output type. The print output you have to save here. LP01 is the okay destination name. Click on back button. Save. Now you can see the print preview. This print we have seen last class. Okay, this is the purchase order print. Purchase order print. For this purchase order print, we are going to create a release procedure. Release means your total delivery value or quantity net order value. If it is less than 10,000, it is less than 10,000, no need to release. So two conditions I'll explain. What is the meaning of release procedure? Concept name you can call purchase order release procedure. Purchase order is procedures. Okay, PO order release procedure. Or PO release. Correct. Pakka question. So this is condition one example. The same condition only. Both conditions will be satisfied in one example. Conditions. Okay. If net order amount less than 10,000, no release. No release. Condition two. If net order amount is greater than 10,001, released by released by release codes you can call. This is the scenario. Release the scenario. 01 is not about a purchase employee. 02 is nothing but a purchase manager. 03 is nothing but a general. General. So these are all these are all the course, okay, release course. How to maintain. Okay, how to maintain the release course. Okay, how to maintain release course. The steps, very easy steps. Configuration first. Technical knowledge also very required. First, I'll give the technical knowledge. Here two conditions we required here. Two conditions. Okay, one is if you want to release for no release not required. Want to release compulsory you need two fields. One is company code. Technical name is BUPRS. Okay, BUPRS. Company technical name is PS. Field length is next. Net order amount is order amount or value. Net order value is GNETW. GNETW. The field length is okay. Currency related will maintain. Okay, currency. These two fields are mandatory. Okay, otherwise, it won't work. These two fields. To maintain these two fields, okay, to maintain these fields, we have already in CEKPO, it is a one table, is one structure, SC11. Let me show that SC11. Step 1, first item, this is CEKPO. This is technical points I am going to start now. Go to SC11. Enter CEKPO. The display button. You can see the Booker's company code. BUKRS means company code. And one more down, still page down. Page down. GNETW. Total net order value. GNETW, it is a total net order. These two fields we required here to work with the GNETW. I written already. So these are the technical names. Now, in backend SPRO, we have to configure SPRO, IMG, material management, which is the PO, PO. Here we have a concept name called purchase order release or release procedure or purchase order. Release procedure. Just activate here. Activate IMG activity. You can see the course also, transaction course. You can see the transaction course. So here edit characteristics is there one T code. The edit transaction code. CT01 is a code actually. CT01, it is a code. CT01. I am creating two characteristics. What is characteristics here? Company code is one characteristic. Company code is characteristics. Class is one characteristics. Okay, first go to edit characteristics. CT01. Okay, execute. Okay, execute. Okay, execute. Here I'll create first one. ZBU guys. This is the name. Okay, this is the name. Okay, click on create button. Okay, click on create. Go to here additional data. Go to additional data. Table name PEKKO. Field name BUKRS. You have to enter. First after ZBUK. Why you have to enter ZBUKRS? Any name you can enter. Any name. It's not compulsory you have to enter same name. You can enter Z company code also. You can enter Z company code. It is not mandatory. You can enter after Z any name you can enter. Why Z means Z is nothing but customized. Even without Z also can use, but by seeing Z letter, we'll come to know, okay, this is created by customer. Okay, this is created by customer. That's why you have to enter Z. After Z, any letters you can enter. The same name only I used BUKRS. BUKRS means company code. Additional data you have to enter, then enter 2 times. Basic data by default will come. Here you have to set one setting. Then description will come automatically. Status will come. Data type I told you. Data type 4, length 4. Number of characteristics automatically will come. Character will come. Multiple. We have to select here multiple values. Have to select here multiple values. Means any company code you can enter. Multiple company code. The multiple. Go to description. Here values is very important. Which company code we are working? Company code name. This no I mean here. Code LG05 something here. This is the company code. Same company code only you have to enter. LG05. Otherwise it will work. LG05. Company code. So LG05 company. LG05. Then go to additional data already maintained. Restriction. 032 is the one code. This is a standard code for release strategy. This is also one interview question. Here, 3 interview questions are there. The first interview question is how to create the characteristics. We have the T code name is either CT01 or the CT04, either CT04 or either CT01. That is the first interview question. Secondary interview question is what is the database table? What is the table? Third interview question, data type, and fourth one, class type. Okay, class. This all four the okay, they will ask in any interview question. The minimum is only characteristics. Save. I need 2 fields. You can see now here. One is company code, and second one is net order value. Okay, now we'll go for net order value. Z GNETW. Okay, GNETW. Click on create button. Okay, go to additional data. Okay, go to additional data. Your table name, CKKO, field name, GNETW, GNETW, enter, 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 enter the INR. Any doubt, Sudarshan? Procedure? Manjanath, any doubt?
No, sir.
This is same procedure. This is extra field. Why means because this is related to currency. Currency means we have to select the INR. For normal company code is not currency. Company code is only name. LG05. Currency means some currency details we have to enter, like INR, USD. For that, this is extra field. INR, then multiple values. Then multiple values. Click on multiple values. Enter. Enter. Enter interval values are allowed. Enter. Okay, 2 points we have to select here. Before only I selected multiple, but this is intervals also. Interval means like range. Example, my condition would be like this. Okay, like 1000 to 1 lakh. or 10,000 to 10 lakh, 1 lakh. Like this also range also you can maintain. Meaning this is a range. Okay, range. That is only intervals. Okay, intervals. Then first step is over. First step is maintained here. Second step I maintain. Third step is very important. Third step is very important. This is a value. I told you greater than, my condition should be greater than 10,000 or 10,001, whatever it is. 10,001. Better I'll give 10,001. Enter. This is the one setting. This is the one setting. Then GNETW 032. Okay. I'll repeat you once again. First I maintained here second field GNETW, additional data, PKO, GNET. Then we'll go to basic data. Here we maintained some currency, multiple values, intervals. Values, restriction. This is the main condition. I did not maintain anywhere less than conditions here. Why? Less than automatically it will work. Less than not required. Okay, less than. If you are not going to maintain 10,001 in purchase order, automatically it will work less than only. Condition. Next. You can't say. Now two fields I created. These two fields I can call characteristics. CT04, that is a key code name is question. The characteristic key code is a CT04. Now these two characteristics, company code and company code and company code and net order value, I'm going to combine in one place. That is I'm calling class. This CL01 or CL02 or CL03 or CL03. These are the T codes, class T codes. Class is nothing but a group of characteristics. Group of characteristics. A group of characters. How to create? How to create? Go to class, edit class, same T code, same path. CL01 is here. CL01, you can execute directly, otherwise you can execute here. Okay. This is just only theoretical notes. Okay, you can go to the theoretical. Execute here. Execute here. Z class I am creating or Z any name, which name LZ, na? LZ class 032 is a name, class type number. Click on create button. Enter here description. LZ class. This is the new name I entered. Enter the your strategy name and create button. Okay, create button. After create, description. Description. After description, just will maintain the two characters. One is ZBUKRS. Second one is ZGNETW. The two which I created right now. Right now. First step, maintain the description. One second. First step, description. Second step, characteristics. Two characteristics I maintain. Class also ready. CL01 or CL02, whatever authorities. Save. Now done. Plus. Now define release procedures. Very, very important concept this way. Yes, sir. Define the release procedures. Click on execute. Click on execute. Release groups. First, we are going to create the release groups. Release groups. Double click. This is all somebody created. We'll remove here. We'll create our own data. Even you can keep it. Better we'll remove it. Okay, 100% result. New entries. Okay, new entries. Okay, click on new entries. Okay, GR, any name, class name, ZLG, class, LG class. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Now ready. First group name, any group name you can enter. Compulsory same name, any group name. Okay, click on save. Back. Then back. Release course. I told you two release course or three release course. 01, 02, 03. Like purchase officer, purchase manager, purchase general manager. To maintain this one, we will have to create a three release course. Purchase employee, purchase manager, GM. Okay, go to release course. Okay, go to release course. Okay, double click on release course. Okay, click on new entries. Okay, click on new entries. Okay, click on new entries. Okay, GR code is 01. Description purchase manager, purchase officer. Then GR 02 purchase manager. So like this, you have to maintain all the codes under the GM general and okay. So Save it. Release course also ready. Back button. Release indicators, no need to create. By default, it is there. Blocked and release, no need to fetch here. You have to create only release groups, release course, release indicator by default is there. Release strategy, we have to create release strategy. Okay, release strategy. Okay, new entries. Okay, new entries. Okay, release group name. Okay, release group name. GR. Release strategy. You can give any name on condition name. Okay, release greater than greater than greater than 10,000 1 INR 010203. So 010203. 010203. And 010203. Release course. You can't save. Click on. Go to release prerequisites. Click on release prerequisites. Meaning is prerequisite is nothing but who is going to release here. First employee 01. Employee is nothing but 01 here. They should release. And this is a 02 employee. Okay, this is top to bottom. Okay, this is bottom to up. Because you have to select only one level. This level you have to select. 01 will release, then it will go to 02 employee. Like example, this is the hierarchy. This hierarchy. Purchase employee will release, then only it will go to purchase manager. If purchase manager and purchase employee both will release, then only it will go to GM. Okay, GM. That we can call hierarchy. This is only that is selected. Okay, selected. We can't continue. Okay, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Okay, release the websites. Go to release status. Okay, go to release status. Okay, by default, blocked on release result. Meaning, if all three employees are released, not released, it is blocked. Only one employee released, blocked. Two employee will release, that is also blocked. If all three are released, then it will show release. Meaning, see now in any project, compulsory manager should release. Then only it will be released. That order will be released to vendor. Even same thing we are going to maintain here. Check boxes. But you no need to maintain, system only will generate. So just we have to cross check it. Sometimes here it will be in blocked. Here it will be in blocked. We have to change to release. Release. Continue. Save it. First step is over. Second step also, release status also over. Third step, classification. Classification. Here company code name is Company code name is LG05. Otherwise, you no need to maintain. Browse here. It will come like this. Okay, browse here LG0. Continue. Then water. Okay, total order net order value. Okay, greater than 10,000. Continue. Okay, continue. Total net order value. So these 2 points we have to maintain. So these 2 points. The first point, say these two values are default values which we maintained earlier. Click on save. Click on save. There's no save here. Directly first you have to click here next screen. Okay, next screen. Okay, click on next screen. Then save. Go to release simulation. Okay, go to release simulation. Okay, go to release simulation. Click on release simulation. Simulate release. Okay, it is already blocked user. We'll see what is happening. Release ID blocked user. We'll check here. First 01 is release possible. If all three are released, what will happen? We'll see. First one I am double clicking. It is affected but still blocked. Second one I am releasing. It is affected but still blocked. If third one is, if I double click, release it is affecting. Did you observe this point? If all three are released, all are affected, then only released will come. But this is just only testing. But we will test manually one by one. In purchase order, we'll test it now. I completed full exercise. Continue. Save here. Now we'll test the first condition. We'll test the greater than 1 lakh. I'll test now. Go to testing. Go to ME21 and testing. Go to purchase order release procedure testing. Go to ME21 and if you have the data, you can enter. If you don't have the data, you can copy. That is totally your wish. I think which I created first one is M related only I created, but let me check now. Purchase orders. Purchase orders. Let me check. Okay, MNB. Okay, MNB. Continue. If you observe now, exactly it is 10,000 only it is there. Is it correct? Check now. What is the net order value? 10,000. But if it is 10,000, release order, it won't work. 10,000, it is. At least 1 rupee extra should be there. Then only release order will work. Okay. What I'll do, even you can observe now here. If I test here, there is no release strategy. There is no release strategy. Now I'm going to change here quantity from 100 to 101. Check now. Immediately, the total order net order value will be affected. Total net order value will be affected 1,000, 10,000 something. 10,000, 100 it will come. Is it correct? It's 10,100. Now my condition is satisfied here. Let's observe. The condition is greater than here, greater than 10,000. One means it is 100 is there. Okay, it is 100. Now condition. Let me check under header. Still release strategy not at come. If I click check button, then release strategy should come. Let's see. I'm going to check here. Continue. You observe now the one new tab has come. Before status was there, then payment was there. Then release strategy is a newly created. Check now how many course has come. Release course. Anybody observe this point? Yes, Sudarshan, Alin, Manjunath. Did you observe this point? Release strategy. Okay. I'll show one more. Okay, if you want. First, we'll see this one. This is a guarantee question. Bhavya, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, release strategy is here. First, we'll see. Okay, later we will work out one more. No problem. All courses are there, but nobody can release here because the status is only possible is done only. But how can release? We cannot release here. First, we have to save it here. This purchase order we have to save. Now, this order will send it to our purchase officer, purchase manager, purchase general manager. This order we have to send. Okay, to send this order, okay, ME 29N is a key code. ME 29 is a key code. One header. You can see the release options here. Select the release first officer. Select the manager second officer. GM third one. Now all three are released. See, now it is affected. Perfectly it is released here. You can't save. This procedure we can call release procedure. This procedure we can call release. Any doubt? Also one more, then you will get clear idea. ME21N. 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 Whatever you created earlier, you can choose, or otherwise you can enter manually also. But that particular data should be perfectly with your company code only. Then only to move. Then only to MNB. Back to Pennsylvania. Not so important. Just adapt. Adapt. Then header. No status. Save. Click on save. Okay, now purchase order is created. We'll see the new purchase order number. Execute here. This is a new one. See the release strategy. Release strategy is there. Here. Then after save, go to ME29N. Go to ME29N. Click on purchase officer. It's a checkbox here. You can easily identify. This is possible only, but not release till. Now I'll release here. Then, okay, once if this released, then only it is possible for purchase manager. Release only. Then once if it is done, then it will go to another purchase status. Okay, like this. Sorry, like this, we'll release the all the purchase release portion released by different release course. Very very important and frequently project work. This is in any project without this concept, there is no purchase order release. There is no purchase order release. Means many projects which we can work with this release procedure, and 99% interview question and 99% issues will come from this area only. So this area only means most of the questions you can expect from these area, minimum 5 to 10 questions. But you have to be very strong in this release procedure. Okay, release. Yes. Now, what about if it is less than 10,000? What about less than 10,000? Let me show that one also. Then you will get a clear idea. Let me create once again ME21N. Click on ME21N. Purchase order. Purchase order. Execute here. Let me select the adapt. Let me change here. 1 lakh, sorry, 10,010 is there. I'll change the price here. Net order last price I'll change to 90. Now you can observe now 9,090 is the value. If I check the header and if I check the checkbox, see here after status there is no payment. Sorry, release procedure. After status there is no release procedure. So now you can see here. It's click on save button. Click on save. There is no release procedure here. Why? Because my pricing condition, my total net order value is less than 10,000 only. The total net order value is less than 10,000. Less than 10. You can't save. You can't save. Click on save. That's it. Any doubt? Any doubt in this release procedure? Anybody? Bhavya, Manjunath, and Sudarshan.
Once
Yes,
after
no doubt.
practicing, we'll let you know, sir.
Yeah. Practice today this concept today. Okay, all this concept. And tomorrow, contract and scheduling agreement will start. Okay, once if I complete this one, then we will move to warehouse management integration, like warehouse management integration. So that is only control goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting. This is all the concept. And next, very very important concept. Most of the questions will come from this area also. Yeah, every point is very important for the ML. Every point. But better you practice more. At least this week, then you will get clear idea. Clear idea. Tomorrow, by sharp same 7 a.m. only I'll connect. 7 a.m. only. Okay, if anybody is having any doubt, no problem. Even I will join 5-10 minutes before also. Okay, otherwise, now also you can ask. Any doubt?
So one small doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, like when we are working on material MMRV, like allow posting period for previous period, there you
MMRV
said like,
or MMP?
sir, MMRV.
Okay, MMRV. MMRV is here. Now, MMRV only for checking the material. Like example, okay. Here, if you check that MMRV, company, one second. MMRV, it will show the only periods information. MMRV. can enter the company code LC05. So your period name only will show. It won't show anything.
Yes, sir. Like
Current period.
current period, it will show November month. But I tried, for me, it was showing the 10th month or October month.
October month. Then if you want to change that month, that I told you one more T code, MMPV. Do you remember? MMPV, I told you one T code name. MMPV. Okay, here you maintain your company code 2 times, LG05, LG05, whatever T code you are using, LG05. Then if it's 10th month is the 11th month you can enter. The period is 2024, like that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then execute here. 2 times if you execute, sorry, 1 time or 2 times if you execute, then it will turn to 10th to 11th it will turn.
Okay, sir.
Then
Got
only
it.
it will work for you. That is we can change posting periods. Changing posting.
Okay, sir. Like manually we have to work. Automatically this software will take it up. Okay, sir.
It
Okay,
won't
got
take.
it, sir.
That is only support project.
Hmm.
Next, that is ME2L. ME2L, ME2L means vendor-wise report.
Yes, a vendor-wise report.
Vendor-wise report. Plant name you can enter, or otherwise, then company code name also it is there. I think down. One second. Plant name. What is the plant name?
Sir, LG.
Something. BN. Company code I remember. Let me enter the one more way. Something document type I can enter. MNB something. So execute here. It will show here all the like different purchase orders. Okay, all the purchase orders. So this is about the one vendor wise report. These many orders I created right now. Next, so today only we created 18. This is 3 hours we created. Same procedure. ME2M. Okay, ME2M. ME2M means it's related to material wise report. Material wise. This is material will come here. That's it. The material. Execute. Okay, execute. Both are same. Both output. Okay. Try this report and purchase order release. And tomorrow contract and scheduling look like same as it is. Only key codes are different. Tomorrow we'll cover those concepts.
Okay. Okay.
We'll stop it now today.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't lose the session. Okay, maybe better. If anybody is having any doubt, no problem. In Saturday also I'll support you. Thing is, I need your side. I need doubts. Okay, if you ask many doubts, then I'll support you. Okay, that output clearly. Okay, you will get in your laptop. Okay, clear.
Yes, sir. Sure.
I'll stop it now. See. Yeah, Manjunath, any doubt?
No, sir.
Try to complete exercise. I'll see you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.